Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to import and export your data, including your password and your bookmarks. Okay, we have here two accounts. Okay, this is my old account that has all my information such as password and bookmarks. Okay, and this one is a new account. Okay, I don't have uh, any bookmark here. Okay, now go back to the old account. Here's my channel if you want to subscribe. Here is my Facebook if you want to contact me. Okay, now the first thing I would like to mention is to go here, option, and select bookmarks. Okay, after here click bookmark manager. Okay, you will see this page. Okay, click option here and click export bookmarks and click desktop and call it bookmarks devices fixer. Devices fixer. Okay, click save. Okay, and go to new account and click here option and select bookmarks and list and click bookmark manager. Okay, here click option here and click import. Okay, import and go to the desktop and select the file that you have saved. Okay, click yes and it will be uh, import imported. Okay,
Let's try again. Sign in. I am in. Okay, now let's go back and select the bookmarks and click show all bookmarks. Still not added yet. I don't know why. Let me try again. Import. Let's try this. Okay, good. It works as you see here. It works. The problem was in renaming the file. File should not be renamed. Okay, this is the original and this is I changed the name. That's why bookmarks doesn't work when I try to import. Okay, here all bookmarks that I have on the other side. Okay, okay, now I will transfer the passwords. Okay, the passwords. Okay, click here. Sorry, here. Go to settings. Settings. Here it is. Okay. Here, click on password manager. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here. And click here, password manager. Here, click on settings. Okay. And slide down. Okay, not here. Let's check out. Click check up. Sorry. Okay, there is no option here. Let's click here. Voila. Here, import. Here, export. Okay, click export and fingerprint. Okay, let's choose another option. Pin. Okay, it doesn't work. Click OK. Okay, it works. Click here, desktop, and save. Okay. Uh, Password name Chrome passwords. Okay. Save in desktop and go to new account and go to settings, autofill and password. Click password manager and click settings and click import file. Okay, now go to desktop and search for this file, Chrome passwords. Okay, click open. Okay, this service I can do it. I can do it remotely. Okay, now let's read this. Has been password manager for the to password not imported. Why? WhatsApp is required. PayPal is required. Okay, just close and go back to the new account and check if all password has been imported. Password, where is it here? Okay, go to password manager. As you see, all my passwords here working. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay, goodbye for now.